lovely. Absolutely lovely that was. King Alfred Tower. And that's the first National Trust place that I've been into and said to them, may we put the drone up if we're careful about people? If there's people around, obviously we won't fly it. And they said, no problem at all. And I said to him we could fly from the road anyway, but we'd been polite and ask. And he was good as gold. So that was nice. And it is a nice place to drone, that King Alfred's Tower. And when you think these follies that they had built, it was just purely to show the common people how much money they had. Sil, go there and you go like that and you can see better. You want a drink? Do you want a coffee or keep going?
Oh, I like a coffee and a pee.
Why do motorbikes parked up here and not in the front?
So time for another coffee. Haynes Motor Museum. Why not? Next stop, Sherborne Castle. Well, at least you got lots of drone footage.
Yeah, you can work now at home.
And the drone come home. So straight back. Okay. Oh, brilliant. So he certainly got some drone footage today. King Alfred Tower, Sherborne Castle. Where else have we droned today? We droned somewhere else. Oh well, that's the end of the week now. I just hope they've had a nice time. It's always awkward thinking where to take them, what to go see, and the last thing you want to do is take them everywhere where they've got to spend a lot more money all the time. But fingers crossed they've had a nice time. I've had a nice time showing them around. And you just never know, because obviously we take all of this for granted. They've certainly got a long day ahead of them tomorrow. Poor old Henri looked whacked just now when we sat down having a coffee. He looked absolutely shattered. Maybe if you come and do Scotland one year, we'll come do it with you maybe.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that would be nice.
Because
You know the roads there.
yeah, because you can rent one of these as long as it's not in the summer with the school holidays. These are so cheap for 6 or 8 people. £200 for the whole week.
Oh, that's
Between 6 or however many.
When do we go?
I
am Maily.
Bye, Nigel. Thank you very much.
Hopefully it's been good.
Oh yes, it was.
And you get to drive on roads that wide. And then a big lorry comes.
No, we enjoyed every minute of
Good,
it. Thank
good.
you. Thank you very much.
No, I've enjoyed it. It's been good.
Yeah?
And sorry I took so long with the motorbikes. Cheers. Oh, you want a cuddle too? Oh, good.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, cheers, Henri. Oh. But let me know when you get home safe
Yeah, we will. We will.
or arrested.
Also, all the speeding tickets.
Wow, they'll come to me first, I bet. Yeah.
Let us know, right?
But we were lucky today with that van because they always sit in that village, always. And when we come down the hill, I thought, I wonder if they're there today. And it's always been 30. Hopefully they haven't dropped it to 20. If it's 20, we all get one.
Let's see.
Yeah.
I say hi to Steve as well.
Yeah.
Yes, I will do.
Thank your wife.
Yeah, special thanks to your wife that
letting
she
you-
for letting us ride with you. And,
She's going to make me pay. I got 1 ton of soil to shovel tomorrow. But no, have a safe journey back.
We will.
And hopefully a dry one.
Yeah.
I
hope so
doubt
too.
so, but
No, I've enjoyed it. It's been brilliant.
It was.
Yeah.
It was
we
really,
enjoyed it
really.
very much.
Yeah, really good.
It's a shame we need to go.
We've seen a lot of places.
Yeah, we crammed a lot in.
Yeah.
And we only walked 1 mile.
You know, Henri asked you to fill up the bikes. You said to him, "Oh, about 2 miles." Well, I don't know how long an English mile
Yeah, that's only 2 miles.
No way.
Mile is 2 miles.
Yeah, I said 2.5 miles. And I'm going to clock it now, I'm sure it is. Right, I'll go see if my wife is still talking to me.
Yeah.
You will be.
Good luck.
You will be.
Safe travels. Yes, text me when you get home. You mustn't film in case I fall over again. I will see you next time.
Next time.
Doi doi! Doi doi! Well, I have to say that is some of the nicest people I've ever met. Lovely, lovely people. So all I want to say is thank you, Henri, Maily, Sil, for coming to England, for coming to Dorset, and for letting me show you around. I've enjoyed every minute of it, apart from falling over. And I hope you had a good time. And as I said, if you decide you're going to go to Scotland one year, if you let us know, maybe we'll be able to come with you. But until next time, have a safe journey home. Please let me know you got home safe. I know you will. And Sil, you're a funny guy. But thanks guys, I've had a lovely week. It's been long days, but it's been brilliant. And we've crammed in a lot. We've crammed in hell of a lot. Lots of places. So till the next video, that brings the Old Boots on Tour Tour of Dorset to an end. So I'm going to sign off. So until the next time, next video, stay safe everyone, look after each other, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye. Or should I say, doi doi.